Ah, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Meron pang roll effect ang pucha. Hanep. Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun May button kasi doon na nasa screen. Pinindot ko. Testing pa natin. Isa pa. One more time. Oh, ha? What's up? Alright, so yeah, it's Tuesday afternoon actually. I think it's just past 12 PM. Wala, bored tayo sa bahay. Tapos tignan nyo naman, napaka-gloomy ng weather. Pero I don't know kung babaksak yung ulan. But just in case lang na umulan, hindi tayo handang mabasa. Pero okay lang ako mabasa. So yun nga, nag-crave tayo ng dessert. And wala akong ibang maisip na puntahan kundi dito sa Uncommons. Punta tayo ng Earth Cafe. Wala tayong makasama kasi everybody's at work. Pero bukas may plano ng ride kasi lahat kami off. Ako, si George, si Omar TV, tsaka si Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Breakfast ride tomorrow ang peg. Samahan nyo kami just in case matuloy yun. Ito yung Earth Cafe. And sana nga wag tayong abutan ng ulan kasi that's gonna suck. This is Earth Cafe. I'm hoping I could park here somewhere. Kuha lang tayo ng coffee and dessert dyan. Tapos urong na lang natin kung sakali. Sana hindi tayo matikitan dito. Only one way to find out. Paradang official kasi. Parang DPWH lang ba dong? Tara, samahan nyo ako sandali. Let's go get some coffee. Earth Cafe. Wow, it's still big. Okay, how much is this? Let's just get this first.
Gotcha. So just like got both your own
Sure,
clean
thank
order
you.
today, all that.
Alright, let's move on. Tapos na ang ating dessert at tambay sa Earth Cafe. Hindi tayo nakapag-ice coffee. Nagano na lang tayo, house tea. It's okay. I was craving for something sweet today pero hindi yung tiramisu yung kinikrave ko. Pwede na rin, nice na rin. Can't complain. Yung panahon talaga nagpaparamdam siya na parang uulan siya. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung anong oras babaksak yan. I don't wanna go home yet. So I'm thinking daan tayo ng Ducati. One exit away lang naman siya sa pinuntahan natin dyan sa Uncommons. Kaya malapit lang. Pikes Peak, oh, used for sale. Nagte-test ride today Nakalabas yung mga motor. They have the Street Fighter V2 and the Scrambler. May mga plaka. Siguro may mga nag-road test today. Wow, look at this. Pikes Peak. Ilang kaya milyahin nito? Interesting. Ay, mag-hi muna tayo sa loob. What up, Vince?
What brings you in?
Nothing, man. I just want to say hi to you.
Oh, yeah, thank you, man. How are you, dude?
You sold the ex-Divo?
The X Diablo is,
So,
I believe, it's sold.
nice.
I mean,
Oh, that's why you put it away? Oh, it's in the corner, sold.
right there it is. You see the new color scheme, right?
Oh, that's the new. Oh, that's the purple one, yeah. Like,
Yeah, they call it black, some sort of black.
oh, so the red is gone.
The red's gone.
Yeah.
He's got an old. He has an old X Diablo,
Mhm.
and then he's got a Scout, an engine Scout. So he wants to get this. It's kind of a purplish.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. What I like about this is the screen is so big.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Pikes Peak. I love my Pikes Peak.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with this. Multi RS. That's a fun vibe, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a lot of money in that one. So, yeah, it's got the Easter egg in the tail section.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you see it?
Oh,
Yeah, if you look at it carefully, it looks like the guy's riding an R1, not a Ducati.
Oh, I see.
We were laughing about it. But like,
All right, time to go. Lalo yatang dumidilim yung skies. Tinanggal na natin yung ating second cam. Oh, umilaw na ang ating gas. Tama-tama, may shell. Pag-gas muna tayo. Pag-gas muna tayo para sure.
Combo. Teriyaki chicken bowl, spam musubi, and a 32-ounce salad.
Hey, when are you gonna give me a ride?
There you go. Thank you. Ngayon, pagkakasyahin natin to. Alright, let's go. Hindi pa tayo ready umuwi. Tambay muna tayo sa Red Rock. Natatawa na lang ako. Lagi ko na lang kayo dinadala sa Red Rock. Construction. Anong ginagawa kaya dito? It's a nice overcast cloudy day. Parang nasa mid 90s lang kami or even low 90s. Lalo na siguro dito, actually baka 80s lang dito sa Red Rock, mga 86, 85. But yeah, as you can see, it's very cloudy. Yung sun, hindi siya makalabas. May in-expect kaming ulan, but we just don't know kung kailan siya magdadrop. It's either today or tomorrow. Sana wag bukas para makaride kami kasama ang boys. But yeah. Alright, it's time to go. Bago tayo abutan ng ulan. Another hangout. This time solo. With me, myself, and the bike. Wala tayong makasama today kasi lahat nagtatrabaho. But it's such a nice day for me to skip it, you know. So, that's it for me. We'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully tomorrow. Kasama natin ang mga boys. Until then, God bless everyone and be a blessing to one another. Peace.